and I hope you are safe at home or where you are staying. So this is my first haul video where I'll be doing a Nykaa haul, and these boxes which you see contain nail paints. Yes, I have ordered 10 nail paints from Nykaa as I am a die-hard fan of nail paints and I left all my nail paints back in Pune. So I ordered them. These parcels arrived, the last box arrived 4 days ago. So I kept them untouched till today, and I have sanitized all the boxes before opening them. So yeah, it will be a unboxing plus a review haul. So guys, if you are thinking कि यार लड़कियों की ये तो लड़कियों वाली वीडियो है, हमारा क्या काम, तो तुम्हारे लिए भी एक बेनिफिशियल और गो टू वीडियो हो सकती है। बिकॉज अब जब तुम्हारी फ्रेंड या तुम्हारी सिस्टर तुमसे ये पूछेगी कि भाई सजेस्ट कर यार कौन सी अच्छी लग रही है, तो बजाय ये बोलने के कोई भी ले ले यार सेम ही है, यू कैन रियली सजेस्ट कि नहीं नहीं ये वाली ले, एंड देन you can see their reaction on your sister's face or your friend's face will be complete different. So yeah, without wasting much of the time, let's get into the video. So सबसे पहले सारे बॉक्सेस को अनपैक करते हैं एंड देन आई विल स्टार्ट रिव्यूइंग। अनबॉक्स करने के लिए मेरे पास सीजर और फाइलर दोनों है। From Color Bar. So yeah, these are the 10 nail pins which I've ordered, and now let's apply them and see how they are. So the first nail paint we are trying is from Nykaa, which is named White Chocolate, and the code is 07. So I will be attaching all the links in the description box. So let's try this. This is matte white and I'm so much loving this color. हो गया. So this is the first nail paint. This is, as I said, white chocolate, and this is for rupees 199, but I got for 20% off and it was for 159 for me. So इस पे अब हम लोग मेरे पास दो नेल आर्ट भी है, वन इज़ फ्रॉम नाइका एंड अदर इज़ फ्रॉम लैक्मे. तो इस पे ट्राई करते हैं कि कैसा लगेगा ये नेल आर्ट. कोटिंग भी वाइट है बट दिस गोल्डन वन इज लुकिंग नाइस. लेट मी टेल यू ये कौन सा है. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. सो दिस गोल्डन वन, दिस इज a rose gold nail art from Nykaa, and this is for rupees 199 again, but I got this for rupees 179 at 10% discount. And the second one is from Lakme. This is nail art G9 is the code for this, and this is for rupees 155. This one is not looking good on this nail paint. Honestly, I am not liking it that much, but if you are going to some theme party or something, you can. And let's see how this looks. I just apply it like this, only on the edges of my nail, to make an outline. And this looks pretty nice. I'll apply this also, and then I'll tell you about this. So let's apply the other one. This one is a thumbs up. This glitter nail art, it's really nice and we go for any nail paint I suppose. This I think we go with some nail paints, and this I will review after I apply it. So this is a thumbs up, and yeah, this one is a thumbs up for me. So the next one is Born in Hawaii. This is from Color Bar for rupees 199. Let's try this. Okay, so after double coating I am applying 1/3 coat to make it even darker. So this is a okay-ish because I had to apply approximately 3 coats to get it darkened in shade. But if you like nail paints which are a bit translucent color, I think this is fine, and moreover it is now wet, so once it dries out it will look more better. So it's a, I would say, okay-ish one. So let's next is this. This is Spicy Peach from Color Bar, and again it is for 199 rupees. Let's try this. This is really nice shade. I'm just liking it a lot. This is a go-to shade. I just love it so much. This is like, wow, I like this shade. So this is also from Color Bar, and it's for 199 as I said. I'll add the link in the description box. This is a nail cutile oil. This is for if your nails break a lot, and it is written, I'm buying this for the first time because my nails break frequently. So this oil will act as a base and a coat for nail paints, which will also help my nail to be strong enough as it cleans. I don't know if it will work or not, but let's try it as a base. This was for rupees 350, but I got it for free with these two products. Let's apply this yellow one. I'm just fond of bright colors. Okay, I should have allowed the base to dry. Let's remove this and apply it again. I'm not sure how this oil will work, or should I apply this as a nail paint or not. I'll tell you about this if you want to know. Comment them down below, and as and when I use it, I will let you know how this works. This yellow is nice. It has a little shiny texture. It is nice. So this is from Lakme, and this one was for rupees 155, and the shade is Sunny Yellow and code is M19. So let's go for the next one. This I have showed you, I'll apply this again in some other shade. This is from Nykaa. I can't wait to apply this. This is so nice. This unicorn nail paint. I think this is the shade Pink Pony. Yeah, it is Pink Pony. And I'm so loving this shade. I mean, wow. This will be my go-to shade, guys. I am just in love with this one. This is so nice. I mean, wow. This one was for rupees 199 is the MRP, but I got it for around 20% off. So 159 for this. Let's apply this nude shade. This is from Lakme and the code is M3. My nails look so funky right now, but applying each and every nail paint in all my nails will take a lot of time, and that is why I'm applying each shade in one of my nails. This is looking so decent, guys. I mean, I love nude shade. I generally apply bright colors, but this nude is like wow. I'm just liking it so much. Apart from this, now I have left this one brown and this nail art. Let me try it again on something and see if it looks good on this peach. Yeah, it is looking nice on peach, and this heart part is so cute, which is vanished. Yeah, let's apply this on yellow now. It's looking nice on yellow, like, yeah. I'm loving this cute heart little thing a lot. I mean, how cute it looks. This heart little thing. For this unicorn shade, I'll apply this nail art from Nykaa. And guys, look adorable my nails are looking, especially this nail. I mean, though I look funky right now with such a nail paint, but yeah, it's nice, it's nice. Let me just remove any one or two of them. Original nude, and it's in the code M3. This is Woody Deck, and let's apply this. This is so nice. So this one was for rupees 180 and this one was for rupees 155. So yeah, comment down below which one you like the most. This is the little collection which I own right now. Hope you like this video, and thank you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and comment down what you liked, what you would like to see, and if you have subscribed to my channel already, please hit that bell icon right there. And thank you for watching. Stay safe.